What's up, nail crew? Welcome back. Thank you so much for all the love you guys have been showing me, subscribing, liking, commenting. Thank you so much. Today in this video we are going to make jelly polish, and I'm also going to be talking about my 200 subscriber giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Alright, nail crew, let's jump right on in. I got these clear polishes from Family Dollar. They were $1 each. It's from the brand LA Colors. You can get them at Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, and I think Walmart. If you spend more than $1 on them, you're spending way too much, okay? In addition to the clear polish, you're going to need some color polishes as well. I got this entire palette from Ross, and it was $4.99 for the entire set. It's from the brand called Jacky Lauren. Now, I did go ahead and start one of the jelly polishes off camera just to kind of work out the kinks. So I made this pink one before I started recording, and it went well. So I was like, okay, I got it. I can show them how to do it now. I'm a pro. I made one jelly polish. I'm a pro. So here we go with this video. What you want to do is get a halfway empty clear polish container, because the new containers are going to be so full that you have to dump some of it out in order to put more polish into the container. Does that make sense? Okay, just watch me and you'll see what I'm talking about. So the one in my left hand is pretty much almost empty, and the newer one, I'm just pouring out a little bit out of it. That way I have room to put the new color in, okay? Because that's like with the pink one, I didn't know that I had to do that, and I just started pouring in polish, and it started spilling all over the place. I was like, oh my gosh. So yeah, that's a little tip. You're welcome, guys. So as you can tell, I poured out just enough so that I could put more polish into the container. By the way, guys, if you hear the TV in the background, it's not Love and Hip Hop today. I have no more episodes on record, so I had to do something else. So I'm watching Netflix, and it's a show called Greenleaf. It's really good. It's so interesting. I'm not going to tell you guys what it's about. I don't want to ruin it, but it's good. It's a nice series to get into. Anyway, let's start with this green polish, because I love green. Green is one of my favorite colors. I love pink. Pink's a favorite color of mine. But then green is a favorite color too. So we're going to do that one second. Now, this polish is so thick, so I'm trying to pour it, but it's not coming out. So I'm hitting it on the side, and it's coming out slowly. So just know that if you have some polish and it's coming out slowly, you could just hit it down and it'll come down, or you can grab the brush and kind of sweep it down. You'll see me do that with one. I think it's when I get to the blue, you'll see that I'm gonna actually sweep it down into the container, because I just got tired of waiting for it to fall in. So you could either be patient and do this, or not be patient and sweep it down with the brush. Totally up to you. You get the same effect. Alright, so the green polish, I'm going to just leave this one in real time. But then the other colors I'll speed up so that we could talk about the giveaway. But this one, I just want you to see how long it actually takes to make a jelly polish. Okay, so here's what I was talking about. See, I'm kind of using the brush to kind of sweep it in. I just kind of got tired of waiting for gravity to take hold. So I'm just digging right into the container and deposit it into the clear polish. So either method is okay for you. And some polishes are heavier, thinner, thicker. Like, there's all different consistencies. So you might not have to do this. You might could just literally pour it right in. So whatever works for you, it's okay. You'll get the same effect.
Already admitted she's a liar, May. She recanted. Why didn't you tell me about this? I didn't want to bother you with it. Look what it's doing to us now. And it's all gossip, all slander.
So you're just going to keep on adding the color to the clear polish until you feel like it's enough. I mean, this is totally personal preference. And then you just shake the bottle up. Once you give it a good shake and all of the color is dispersed well throughout the clear polish, then you test it. So go ahead and grab one of your little fake fingers and just apply the polish onto the fake finger and just see if you like it. If it's too clear, Then just add some more color into it until you get the color you like. If it's too dark, what you're going to have to do is dump out some of the polish, some of that color, and then pour some more clear into it. It's literally just an experiment, and it's totally personal preference. So you just keep on adding clear or adding color until you feel like it's the color that you like, okay? Now this is what it looks like. I really, really, really love it. I love it. So I'm going to leave it just like that. And then once it dries, it gets a little bit more see-through. So when you first add the color on, it does look like jelly polish, but it's not as transparent. Once it dries, you can see right through it, and it's like that perfect jelly polish consistency. So I love it. I'm not going to add anything to this one. I'm just going to put it down and let it dry. And let's move on to the next one. All right, so pretty much you're going to just copy all those steps over and over with whatever colors you see fit. And voila, you're going to have your own collection of jelly polish, right? So now we got that out the way. Let's talk about my giveaway. First of all, I just want to say thank you again. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking and commenting and keeping engaged. Like, this is literally a hobby for me, and I've only been on YouTube for a month. So I know 200 subscribers is nothing to some people, but to me, it's a lot. Like, I did not even expect this. So I'm surprised, I'm happy, and I'm grateful. So like I said, I am doing a giveaway every 100 subscribers until I reach to 500. When I get to 500, I'll kind of chill out a little bit on the giveaways, but then when I hit to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a really, really, really big giveaway. So stay tuned for that, okay? Now, my idea for this giveaway, I kept going back and forth. I really like the idea of having you guys pick your own prize because, you know, you're going to win something that you're going to use. I don't want to give you guys something and then you put it in your drawer and you never use it, because that wasted your time, my time, and my money. So I really like the idea of you picking your own gift. So I went on Amazon, I went on eBay, I went on AliExpress, and I was just really price checking a lot of the things that I use for my nails. Price checking a lot of it to see what would be most beneficial to you guys. And for $20, you can get a ton of stuff on any of those sites. You can get a drill, you can get the nail lamp, you could get polygel, you could get acrylic, you could get gels, you could get nail polish. Like, there's a ton of stuff for $20. Like, if you want $20, you should really be able to add to your nail collection, right? So this giveaway prize is $20. And I'm going to send you this $20. If you win, I'm going to send you the $20 on either Cash App or PayPal. Whatever you feel comfortable receiving money on, whatever you have, it would be Cash App or PayPal, okay? So hopefully you guys already know what Cash App is. I know most of you know what PayPal is. If you don't know what Cash App is, just go to your app store, download Cash App, and that's it. You just put your little information in. That's it. And if you win, boom, you send me your Cash App name and I just send you $20. That's it. So simple. Same with PayPal. Like, if you don't have PayPal, download it. Like, almost everybody has PayPal or Cash App. You have to have one of those. Like, come on, right? So go ahead and download those apps right now. Well, not now, after you watch my video. Like, watch my video first, right? Like it, comment, subscribe, all that first. Then exit out of YouTube, go to your Play Store, download PayPal or Cash App, and then if you win, you tell me which one you want me to send the money to, and boom, baby, boom, you're $20 richer, and you could update your nail collection, right? Yes, I know I could do it like an extra, like, for real. Like, I know if somebody was telling me all you had to do was subscribe, like, and comment and get $20, I mean, hello, sign me up, right? I mean, that's an easy, quick way to win $20. So I know I'm not asking too much, right? All right, let's get into the rules. Wait a minute, let me just back up. Did y'all look at that yellow? Rewind this thing real quick, like back up. Look at the yellow when I put it on the swatch. It was so pretty. It looked like a highlighter. And so far, these are the collection that I've made thus far. They're all very neon-y and highlighter-y, and I don't know. I like them. But the next color that I'm going to make is not from this Jacky and Lauren collection, because I needed a darker color, and they didn't have it in this collection. So I'm going to use another nail polish. And I think I got this nail polish from Dollar General or Family Dollar. One of those two stores. I'll check and I'll put it in the description box for you. But it is called Dark Night. It is very shimmery. And I needed this color to make it a jelly polish for the next look that I'm going to do. All right. That's enough about that. Back to the giveaway. I'm sorry, guys. I'm like all over the place because I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get back into the giveaway. The rules for the giveaway are as follows, guys. You ready? Get your paper, your pens, whatever you write on, your little tablet, get it together. Because I'm about to give you the rules to win $20 for your nail collection. 1, you have to be a subscriber. You have to be a subscriber. Like, this is only for my nail crew. Like, you just can't be anybody off the street and be getting my money. Like, you have to be part of my nail crew family. So you have to be a subscriber. That's number 1. You gotta like this video. Come on, guys. Like, just go ahead, hit that thumbs up right now. All right. The third thing you have to do is just comment below and just say what you're gonna buy with the $20. So you could write anything. You could write nail polish. You could write I don't know, nail glue, a drill, a nail lamp, polygel, like just anything. Like, totally be creative. You could enter as many times as you want, but please, guys, please write something that you're going to purchase, because that's how, when I'm picking the winner, that's what I'm going to look for. It's going to be random, but remember the last giveaway? I randomly chose somebody and she didn't follow the rules, so I had to pick somebody else, and I felt so bad. So please, guys, follow the rules. All you have to do is be a subscriber. You have to like this video, and in the comment section, just tell me what you're going to get with the $20, okay? So those are 3 things. The last thing you have to do is share this video. You can share this video any way you want. You could just text it to your homegirl. You could put it on your Facebook. You put it on IG. You could share it through YouTube Messenger. You could copy and paste the URL and just stick it anywhere. Like, I really don't care how you share it. Just share it. That'll help me get my name out there faster, and that will bring me and you closer to my 300 subscriber giveaway. And every time I do a giveaway, it's just going to be a little bigger and a little bigger and a little bigger. So if you didn't win the first one, and if you don't win this one, don't worry, because I have so many more giveaways planned, and they're all just better and better and better. So good luck to everybody. Fingers crossed. Follow the rules. Love you guys. All right, before I go, guys, I just want to give a few shout outs. These people are awesome. Their nail art is inspiring. They support me. They subscribe to my channel. They help me out when I need it. They are just great people all around. So go ahead and check their channel out. The first one is Pumpkin's Nail Station. She is a sweetheart. You guys will love her. The next one is Babygirlnails. She actually did this jelly polish look as well. Follow her if you're not following her already, and you can check that video out. My next nail friend is MVP Nail Designs. She's really sweet. She gave me a shout out a few weeks ago, so I just want to return the favor. Thank you, girl. I appreciate it. Hope your channel grows. Hope you guys are all successful. And I have just one more shout out, Melinda Conley. She is the winner of my last giveaway. Congratulations to you again. I hope you are loving your prize. Good luck to everybody that enters this giveaway. I'll see you in my next video.